So the yogurt is done. This is the L-Reuteri that I started yesterday morning, but I'm wondering how it's going to turn out. I'll look at it and then put it in the fridge. So let's see. I've unplugged it, taken the lid off. It's usually got a lot of water there. There's got a little water there on top. Okay, this is first one. I just dry off the top, and what I do, take a towel, opening it up. Smells all right. Okay, I wipe any excess moisture off the top, and what I sometimes do is just tip it a little bit and soak up any excess water without touching the yogurt, just so that it's not as watery. Okay, so I think that's going to be okay. Goes in the fridge. Other one. We'll do a taste test tomorrow. Find out how it tastes. Into the fridge. And then I just dump the water out carefully, dry it out, and it's ready for the next batch. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the results of the L-Reuteri. I've already opened one of them and put it away into jars. This is the second one. So as I open it up, it had a little bit of like where water drops would make a little bit of little circles, which is sort of pretty. The smell, nice and clean, no negative odor at all. It smells good. I've already tasted a little bit from the other container just to make sure it turned out, and it is nice. So I'm going to get a new spoon. So I've got a new spoon, and I'm going to put it into the jars. I want to show you the thickness. So as I scoop into it, nice and thick. This is how I like this yogurt. It's so nice and thick, like Greek yogurt. And that's why I like to use the half and half. Make sure it's ultra pasteurized. If you can find the A2 ultra pasteurized half and half, that's my favorite. A2 is a type of milk that is usually more easily digested. And once you make your yogurt, your fermented dairy, if you, like me, I used to be sensitive to dairy, but if I just have the A2 or just the yogurt, I'm not bothered. So be mindful of what you need. Of course, I'm not a doctor, just giving you my results. And this makes about 4+ of these little 4-ounce jars. Creamy, fresh, even without any sweetener. It's good. Good plain yogurt. The L-Reuteri is one of the best probiotics we can do for our healthy gut. So just to reference, this is the Super Gut book by Dr. William Davis. It has all of the recipes for the yogurts in here, including non-dairy. So if you don't want to do dairy, you can do coconut milk, and there's recipes for what type of coconut milk to use and the procedures. So I highly recommend this book. You can get it in the link below or wherever you get your books. And as you can see, I've marked the pages. I use this book regularly for recipes, for reminders, of different foods that can help keep your gut healthy. So many benefits. Just some of the benefits in this video. It's made such a difference in my life. I wish you all the best for a healthy microbiome, and enjoy your yogurt. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, if you're making your own, or if you have any questions. If I can answer them, I will. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.